about the ghost train.
Oh no, you're not vlogging, no.
I am vlogging,
No.
for the time being.
Stop vlogging.
Why? Is it upset?
Yes.
I don't think it should.
I'm not even in your vlog.
Yeah, you are.
On like how the design looked before they actually projected it. So these are a bit more like project pictures. You will see the old train today for the Darren Brown. We won't be able to go to the workshop. I'll let you guys keep through the workshop through there. And these are just a bit more pictures of the train. And then obviously that's the lighting inside the ghost train, which the Believers logo, that's the logo, that's on all the t-shirts and stuff as well.
Behind the scenes of food and beverage.
Oh my god, unused cooler.
Bins. The costumes. Oh, we're being jump scared. Faulty. Yo, oh my god. I didn't get scared. I didn't get scared.
Can we walk on this?
Yo.
So you can't step on this train here, so just make sure you stand behind the yellow line. On the other side, you'll be able to step on the train. It's just this train, there's a big gap, so I'm not going to...
Are we going to see the train without the lights on inside? Or... Ah, I want to see all the UV stuff. Oh, okay.
This is how the train...
Whoa!
See underneath, so it literally has a collection of bombs and everything up and down. When it wants to go.
Yeah, basically you have some people for this then shift over to the other.
Any questions?
What are the pictures here?
Can I stand behind the...
So when you have them coming through the end doors, like where
There's two doors, so they will come from one side, so we'll show you there's another door you get through. So if they're working on one of the trains, they'll come through that door. If they're working through this train, stay through that door.
The ghost train then?
They use smell boards. So the smell boards that have been used are right at the tops of these tubes here, so it was smell boards. There is a special name for it, I forgot what it was.
Ghost train musk.
Very windy. So these skulls are all hand painted and all hand painted.
Funky looking things.
It's very cool from the lighting to see how everything looks.
Stop doing that.
So this is where you have the statue moving across to the other side, which is quite cool. Hopefully next year they have a trail light following it, so they're hoping to have a light behind it. Very cool. There's always one actor behind there as well, so that's always the real actor, and then again for the presentation there is that statue there that moves left and right. But this is where the scene of the Queen. On this like wall here as well, there's some quite cool names.
Oh, there's names.
There are some Easter egg names here, so there are some special names in this area here. There was actually
Liverpool station. Get the goose train. Yo, underground train. Are you going for every single little?
Where do you want to go?
On the train, I want to be on the train.
Yeah, go right over.
I don't know what's this on the train.
So cheese.
Mate, I haven't seen yet. It's, oh wow. No, that is.
It is literally just where they boarded up.
Huh.
So that's all down there. Yeah.
I mean, at least they have a vent. Jesus.
Okay. This is heat.
Yeah, hold that, just hold it. I am now a scare actor. I can't do this.
Is that what it is? Yeah, and then have a movie like tunnel.
Yo. This is a smoke machine. Oh, we're going back outside.
Now we're next to the train.
Oh, this is a completely different mic. Yo.
Does anyone know these are actually reports from The Walking Dead? They actually come out of the actual sequence of it.
Just like the side of it.
It's like it's meant to be.
Ooh, there's a bike in there. Oh, what's their bike?
It's so clean.
Oh,
Back in the day.
they still got all the VR.
Be fearless. Oh my god, it does.
Come on.
Come on, let's go on the
Let's
VR.
go for a ride.
That's not actually open on the other side. It's never been open. They're never open.
I like that someone's pulled their bike.
Yeah. Back outside of the ghost train. At Oktoberfest. Wow. Oh, I love the little thing. Waiting room. You wait in the waiting room. With digital projection.
Yeah, there's some things that are centralised here, so you've got Easter eggs.
Don't ask me why. All things to notice. Yeah, on our first way in, so that's
Should see Mike's one. Welcome to the Ghost Train Photo Redemption. And then this is all real merchandise.
yeah, and it has actual tags on it.
Oh, you can't like. Wow. Oh, it's those things. It's little things inside of it, I think. But they're actual posters.
Someone and see someone else.
Bro, I want the merchandise. I like how it says sample.
The beauty is I'll ask me told you here.
There's been a bit of a split.
Okay, that's.
Oh, there's more. Ghost Train the musical. What?
You can tell this is where they have too much time in between scenes.
Yeah, clearly.
I thought it spun.
Yeah, I thought it spun as well. You'd think it would. Oh. And then the shop,
In the shop.
which everyone loves.